Ever wonder why you can call len on a list or string but not on your custom class? The secret is the double_len method. The double_len method is what Python calls a magic method or dunder method. When you call the built-in len function on any object, Python automatically looks for and calls the object's double_len method. This is how lists, strings, and dictionaries all work with len. They all implement this magic method behind the scenes. The double_len method has one strict requirement. It must return an integer. This integer represents the size or length of your object. Python expects a non-negative integer, and if you return anything else, you'll get a type error. The method takes only self as an argument and should calculate whatever makes sense as the length for your particular object. Let's look at a practical example. Say you're building a custom playlist class that stores songs in an internal list. By implementing double_len to return the length of that internal list, your playlist object now works seamlessly with len. You can check how many songs are in the playlist using the same syntax as any built-in collection. This makes your custom class feel like a native Python type. Here's a bonus feature. Objects with double_len also get automatic truthiness testing. If your double_len returns 0, the object evaluates to false in Boolean contexts. If it returns any positive number, the object is truthy. This means you can use your custom objects naturally in if statements and while loops. So remember, implement double_len to make your classes work with len and get automatic Boolean behavior. Now go practice this in your next interview. Want to get better at answering questions like this? With Interview Mentor, you practice real interview questions out loud. You get personalized feedback and a grade on every answer, and you can track your improvement over time.